Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about discriminant. So the formula for discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. Now the question for this afternoon's topic, evaluate the expression by using this formula b squared minus 4ac given the following values of a, b, and c. So I have here number 1, a is equal to 1, then b equals to 3, and c equals negative 5. So by using this formula, b squared minus 4ac, so my b is 3, and then I need to square this one. Then minus 4 times a, which is 1, then c is negative 5. So this is 3 squared means 3 times 3, that will be equal to 9. And then negative times negative, that will be positive. So 4 times 1 is 4, times 5, that is 20. So my answer for number 1 is 29. So this is 29. Now let's go to number 2. Number 2, a is negative 1, b is equals to negative 3, and c equals negative 3. So the formula, b squared minus 4ac. So b is negative 3 squared minus 4, a is negative 1, then c is negative 3. So this will be negative 3 squared, this is 9, because negative 3 times negative 3, negative times negative, that will be positive, and then 3 times 3 is 9. Then minus times minus, or negative times negative, that will be positive times negative, so this will be negative. So 4 times 1 is 4 times 3, that will be 12. So 9 minus 12. So this is unlike sign, so I need to subtract 12 minus 9. So that will be 3. And how about the sign? Since 12 is greater than 9, then 12 is having negative sign, so this will be negative. So my answer for number 2 is negative 3. Now let's proceed to number 3. Number 3, a is 5, b is 6, then c is equals to 2. So formula, b squared minus 4ac. So b squared, 6 squared, then minus 4, a is 5, c is positive 2. So this will be 6 squared is 36, then minus 4 times 5, 20, times 2, 40. So unlike sign, so I need to subtract 40 minus 36, that is 4. Then what's the sign? The sign must be negative because 40 is greater than 36, then 40 is having negative sign, so I use negative 4. So for my number 3 answer is negative 4. Now let's proceed to number 4. Number 4, again, formula, b squared minus 4ac. So b squared, that will be 7 squared, minus 4, a is negative 3, then c is negative 1. So what is 7 squared? 7 squared means 7 times 7, multiply itself twice, so this will be 49. Negative times negative is positive, then times negative, so this will be negative. So 4 times 3, that is 12, times 1, so this is 12. So what is 49? Take away 12. So this will be 9, take away 2 is 7, 4 take away 1 is 3. So my answer for number 4 is positive 37. Now let's proceed to the last number, number 5. Number 5 given. I have here a equals negative 8, b is equals to 10, c equals 1. So formula, b squared minus 4ac. So b squared is 10. This will be squared. Minus 4, a is negative 8. Then c is 1. So what is 10 squared? 10 squared means 10 times 10. So this will be equal to 100. So this will be 100. Negative times negative, that will be positive. And then positive, so this will be a positive. So 4 times 8 is 32. 32 times 1 is 32. So 100 plus 32, this will be equal to 132. So my answer for number 5 is 132. That's all for today's topic.